Madam President, this statement is made by CIHRS in cooperation with the Coalition of Families of Persons Kidnapped by ISIS. My name is Hiba Al-Hamoud. I'm the daughter of Dr. Ismail Hamoud, a surgeon and dissident critical of the Syrian government and ISIS. He was kidnapped by ISIS on the 2nd of November 2013. Since that day, we have yet to learn of his fate. My family and thousands of others have been left alone in their struggle for truth and justice. We urge the international community to take action to ensure authorities disclose the fate of disappeared. Investigations should start as soon as possible with ISIS members in custody. Unprofessional exhumations of mass graves in northeastern Syria should be stopped, as it can lead to the contamination of graves and the loss of critical evidence. We urge the member states to implement the Commission recommendations to establish an independent mechanism to locate the missing or their remains and to support a victim-led design of such a mechanism. We call on the Member States and the United Nations to address our demands in the Truth and Justice Charter launched by Syrian Victims Associations in February 2021. Finally, we call on the Commission of Inquiry to produce a policy paper on enforced disappearance by ISIS that identifies the legal responsibilities of de facto forces in northeastern Syria and their state allies and provides concrete recommendations. Thank you.